All right, so this video is for incomplete dominance, and in the notes we've talked about how incomplete dominance is referring to when a trait or a blend of traits gets blended together. So instead of the dominant versus recessive alleles that we've looked at like in the pea plants or other animals where it's a either or type of situation, incomplete dominance is a blend of two alleles. All right, so we're going to have a trait that's a mixture of both if we have them together. So in our example problem, we have a rose that has petals that are white. So it has C here just for the representing the trait, in this case, color. C, big W, and then C, big W. This white flower or white rose is going to mate with another flower that is pink. Notice how it's big CR and CW. Okay. So I should mention too, usually in a problem, if we have an individual that's CR, this would be red. Okay. So we can go ahead and plug in our parents. So we have one that's white, and we have a rose that's pink. And if we need to, we can move that. Whoops. Let's move that over here. So CR and CW, CW, CW. And before I get too much into the Punnett square, let's fill out the phenotypes. Right, so, or genotypes too. So we talked about, actually, let's just move this guy over here. So anything that has a CR, that's going to be red. We can also have CW, that's going to be pink. And then CW, that's going to be white. And we can go ahead and just put those over here too for phenotypes. Red, pink, or white. Right, because pink is a blend of red and white roses. Okay, for the ratios, we need to fill out the Punnett square, so let's just go ahead and start filling this out. Okay, so let's kind of do some highlighting here. So we're looking at anything that is heterozygous, an R and a W, those are going to be pink. So we can see this individual here, that's going to be pink, and this one's going to be pink as well. Anything in RR, or homozygous for R, is going to be red. We don't have any of those. And anything that is homozygous for W is going to be white. And we have two of those. So now we can get our ratio here. So CR, that's going to be 0, right? There's none of those in our Punnett square. CW, we have 2 of. And then CW, we have 2 of. So our genotypic ratio is going to be 0 to 2 to 2. Or you could just simplify that as 1 to 1. Right, we just bring those down. And then phenotypic ratio, this is the same thing. So we're looking at red, pink, white. There are 0 red roses in the Punnett square. There are 2 pink and 2 white. So we'll have the same ratio, which isn't always the case for the phenotypes and the genotypes. So then it asks, what's the probability that the offspring is red? Well, we don't have any in the Punnett square, so this would be 0%. And then if it was asking for pink or white, it would be 50%. But that's how you do incomplete dominance. All right, have a good day.